Are you terrified of accidentally deleting your game saves along with your massive game files? Don't worry. I am going to show you how to clean up your storage safely without losing a single second of your progress. Welcome back to TechVibes. Today we are looking at 10 advanced ways to delete games and manage your PS5 storage like a pro. The PS5 keeps game files and save data in separate folders, but it is still easy to get confused and wipe something important. We want to clear the clutter while keeping your achievements and settings perfectly intact. Step 1. Use the home screen shortcut. Hover over the game you want to remove and press the Options button on your controller. Select Delete to remove only the game application while your save data remains safe in a different folder. Step 2. Use the Storage Manager for bulk cleaning. Go to your settings and select Storage. This view allows you to see exactly which games are eating the most space, so you can delete multiple titles at once. Step 3. Protect your save data. Always verify that your saves are synced to the PlayStation Plus cloud before you hit delete. This ensures that even if the console has a glitch, your progress is backed up online. Step 4. Delete game content separately. Some games allow you to remove specific modes. For example, you can delete the single-player campaign of a shooter to save space while keeping the multiplayer portion installed. Step 5. Clear the media gallery. Often, the biggest space hogs are not games, but the 4K video clips you recorded. Go to your media gallery and delete these large files to free up gigabytes without losing any playable content. Step 6. Offload PS4 games to an external drive. Instead of deleting PS4 titles, move them to a USB drive. This clears your internal SSD for PS5 games, but keeps the older titles ready to play instantly. Step 7. Disable auto trophy captures. Every time you win a trophy, the PS5 saves a screenshot or video. These add up fast. Go to your captures and broadcast settings to turn this off so you do not have to keep manually deleting them. Step 8. Check for hidden data in the other category. If your storage still looks full after deleting games, rebuild your database in safe mode. This often clears out temporary installation files that were not deleted properly. Step 9. Remove game trials and betas. These often stay in your library even after you buy the full game. Check your storage list carefully for any trial versions that are just taking up space. Step 10. Sync with the PlayStation app. Use the app on your phone to manage your storage remotely. This allows you to delete games while you are away from home, so your console is ready for a new download when you get back. Here's a bonus pro tip. When you delete a game, the PS5 might keep the game's cache data. To be 100% safe and clean, perform a full restart after a large deletion to let the system finalize the new free space. If you face any difficulty or you are worried about a specific save file, please comment below. I am monitoring the comments and I will reply to you within 1 hour. If this guide helped you get your storage under control, please like, share, and subscribe to TechVibes. Your library is clean, your saves are safe, and I will see you in the next one.